Happy nakabalik na. Good evening sa lahat. Kumusta? Welcome back. Masaya. Happy. Nakabalik na sa live. Thank you, YouTube. Salamat. Thank you so much. Masaya ako. Kumusta? Kung lang. Kumusta? Patawag kita. Patawag kita. Ang balik. Masaya. I'm happy so much. Ano ulit na? I'm happy to serve. Okay. Kape. Saya. Kailangan kape. Wala lang. Hi sa 2 million. Stackopure Fernandez. Hi. Hi po. Good evening. Kumusta? Taga saan to? Where are you from? Taga saan to sila? Gabi na po. Oo nga, gabi na. Wala di mga kakape. At malala. Malala talaga. Hi po. Hi, the seeker of truth. Hello. Oh, sayang ko. I'm from Malaysia. Hi, Ramla Ahmad. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much. Thank you so much po. Taga saan ka po? From Bicol. Bicol po. Thank you so much. Salamat, sir. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you po. I'm happy. Pamili. Salamat. Thank you for the thumbs up. Salamat po. Stock on new furnace. Salamat po. Thank you. Tamang puyat lang ang person. Oo nga eh. Tamang puyat lang. Puyat. Kayo po, taga saan? Thank you for the sa patambay nyo guys. Isabella po. Okay po. Thank you for watching po. Salamat. Kulabo si Doc. Hi, Ramla Ahmad. Hi po. Thank you so much for I can. Thank you so much for the thumbs up. Thank you guys. Salamat po. Pingi naman ang kape. Kape tayo. Kape tayo. Salamat. Salamat po sa nag-thumbs up. Salamat. Hi po, Jake Miado. Hi. Hi, Jake. Masaya. Puyat na masaya. Pampagising kape. Tamang puyat. From Philippines po. I'm from Philippines, Ramla Ahmad po. Ba't wala po ba kayong kasama? Tulog na sila. Ayun, tulog na. May kasama, tulog na. Mga tulogs na. Thank you sa thumbs up po. Thank you so much. Ilang taon ka na stuck on you, Fernandez? Ayun lang. po. Bata pa. Ako 40 years old. 40. I'm 40 years old. Salamat po sa thumbs up. Salamat po. Thank you so much. Hi, Ripo Red. Okay po. Hi, Ripo Red. May asawa ka na? Girlfriend? Or jowa? Ganon. May anak na. Sino po? Ikaw. Ikaw yung tinatanong ko. Stuck on you, Fernandez. Jake Miado. I like sa kana sobed. Oh, what? Ano po? Jake? What's your name? My name is Cheryl. Wala pa po sa isip ko yan eh. Okay. Good yan. My name is Cheryl. Reporad. Jake Miado, what do you mean? So sexy. Sexy. Are you Philippines? I'm from Philippines. Filipina. Sarap maging single eh. Sinabi mo pa. Walang magbabawal. Totoo yan. 100 check. Pero masarap din yung nagmamahal. Very hot. Hot coffee. Done. Love is mine. Thank you, Dan. Me too. Me too. Hindi na ako makapag-inom ng alak anong kapag? Anarcha? What do you mean, Anarcha? Anarcha, you're welcome. What that mean? Are you single? You're welcome. Kapag may jowa na po. Tama. Correct. Single, ready to mingle. Wait. Just a little bit. Yes. 36. Hi, pretty. Where's the pretty? Wait lang po. Wait. Ang hirap. Saan punta? Wala, dito lang. How old are you? I'm 40 years old then. Single to mingle. Pwede whole body, mom. Whole body. Pwede man. I'm 43. Wait lang. Sa demo light. Wait. Sa model ah. Sa model. Your body is amazing. Wag please. Baba mo kam konti po. Bakit? I'm 42. Where are you from? Ano? Where are you from, Dan? Ang slim mo pala, yes. Super slim. Ah, London. Ah, okay. Not allowed. Miss Anne in Taiwan. Hi, Miss Anne. Thank you so much for the thumbs up. Thank you po. Bye po. Bye. Bye, Stephanie Fernandez. Bye. Take care. Ingat ka. Good night. Ay, salamat sa thumbs up. Thank you po sa thumbs up. Ang tagal ko nakapag-live. Ngayon lang ulit. Teka. Baby, you're so pretty. Grabe naman. Why you say I'm pretty? You have baby. I have kid. One kid. Son. You're very cute. Cute. I'm cute. Kitty cute. Wait. Nagano. Thank you so much. Thank you for the thumbs up. Salamat po. You big titty milk. I have big kitten. Big kitten. Yummy. I don't need to own a fancy car. Anyway, take care. Speak soon. Have a lovely day. Thank you. Thank you, Dan. God bless. Take care. Thank you for joining my live. Thank you so much. Can you sing? I love music, but I'm not sing well. You have boyfriend? Yeah, I have a boyfriend. Oh, I thought you were single. Sorry. Spencer. You done? Are you married or you have a wife, girlfriend in a relationship? My baby kitten is sick. Oh, why? Why sick? You're still very pretty. Take care. Thank you, Dan. Single to mingle. Why stay single? Done. What happened? Why? Huh? I'm so happy because I'm alive now. Cause I like to be single. Ah, okay. You like to be single. You love to be single. Okay. I was in 11 years in a relationship. Oh, okay. What happened in 11 years? Oh, traumatic experience. I can't imagine. She's not good woman. Why she's not good woman? You, ano, you got, you 11 years in a relationship. Not, she's not good woman. What happened? I think, so I like to just date. Ah, dating. Dating. Just dating. You want to date? Date. What's a date? What's date now? I never experienced date. Mm, but I want to experience a date. Take out for food. Yes. Yeah, I want to experience a date, romantic date like that. Going to the restaurants, eat foods. Someone buys me chocolate and flowers. Yeah, so romantic. It's been so long ago. Are you a good? Are you good at messaging? Messaging? What means messaging? I have bad neck. Neck? As in here? The neck? Bad neck? Massage. Ah, massaging. Massage. I don't know. I'm not good messaging. Not good. I'm not good of massage. Yeah, needs to rub. I'm not good of massage. Massage, rub. Never ending, I will do it. Never ending. Do you have a kids? Done. Have you ever been to London before? No, I never been. I want to go in the London, but need money. Expensive going there. Yes, one daughter. Ah, okay. You have such pretty face. I will pay for you. Really? You will pay for me? I need money. Yeah, really? Good news for me. How much? Ah, you seem lovely. First impression. Wow. Ray Repuno. Do you want to know what I look like? Huh? What do you mean? Reparad. Hi, thank you so much, Reparad. Thank you so much. What's your type? Type of what? Ideal man? Like that? Sorry, I'm flirting so much, but you're so pretty. My ideal man. If you want to know what type of the man, simple, but have a sense of humor. 1 plus 3. Simple naman. Generous like that. Charot. Big heart. Yes, big heart. Someday handsome. Handsome. I don't know. I guess it's also handsome also. But if you love the person, if you love the man, yeah, it's handsome. Your daughter, how old she is? I am I being too flirty? I am being too 18 years old. Oh, wow, 18 years old. She's a lady. I think she's a pretty lady. Your daughter. Just makes race just my everything. Wow, that's good. That's why you stay single. Come closer to screen. Why? Sorry, I never told you. So hot. The weather here is very hot. Summer feels here now in Philippines. Sing, baby. You're, you're hot. Because my skin color is hot. Dark. I'm hot. Dark color. Oh my god. Dan, calm down. Thank you so much for the thumbs up. Thank you. Why you laugh? Not, eh, you funny. I would like to pay for you to come and see me. Is that possible? What? I would like to really pay me for what? I would like to pay for you to come and see me. Is that possible? Really? I never told you. So cute. So cute. Kitty pie. Hi, thank you so much for watching guys. Salamat po. I never something my bags. I want you, bad girl. Bad girl. Ay, ano ba yan? Wala. I never told you, baby. Never. Do close again. Nice. Hi, Maria P. Luciliano. Hi po. Kumusta? Salamat po sa pagpunta. Thank you for visiting my live. Thank you so much. Can you sing? No, I can't sing with Houston. I can't sing. I can't. You can, you can. Yan naman tayo eh. Sing Doris music. You're my kind of woman. Alone. Sing Doris music. Hi, salamat po sa Let Your Lips. The Seeker of Truth. Let. Ano ba yan? Why? Skip the music. Namaya na ako. Ano bang meron sa akin? Parang naiya ako bigla. Skip the music. Green screen. Green screen. Can you stand up? I want to see you. You want to see me? Why you want to see me? Sain ka sa Bicol, bro? Paano mo nasabing Bicolana? What, bro, ha? You make me excited. Gary Burboy. Sanaga. Why you call me bro, ha? Paano mo nasabing bro, ha? Don't be surprised, I want to see your beauty. Bakit may Gary? Bakit may Gary Burboy dito? Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko siya kilala. Calling me bro is Sino ka ba? Marikela. Hindi ko siya kilala. Get up a little. Subscribe. Okay. Oh, wait. Get up a little. Okay. Ay, wait lang. Slim. Subscribe or like. Both. Subscribe and like. Get up a little. Done. Calm down. I would definitely like some of that. Thank you so for the 7 million in the house. Very graceful like a model. Thank you, the Seeker of Truth. Where are you from? The Seeker of Truth. $11.46. Yes, 11:46 already na midnight. Sorry, you're hot. Hot weather here, done. Then summer feels here. Summer feels. I'm going to go take care. Bye Dan. Take care. God bless. If I were next to you right now, I think something would happen because I couldn't stand your beauty. Ha! Talaga naman. Sana all. 12:30 I will sleep. Okay, thank you po. Sleep well po. I'm going to. Dan is gone. Dan is gone. Tama. Bye, Dan. Sain ka sa Pulangge? Daiman po ako taga Pulangge. Taga Sorsogon po. Gary. Mr. Gary. I'm here. Oh, you're still here, Don. I thought you're going to go. You're going to go somewhere. Sa gubat. No, hindi sa gubat. Dai po sa gubat, dai. Especially the two apples in the front. My God. Rosin, yes. Rosin po. Ano ba yan? Ano ba yung ano? Ano na itsura ko? Ganyan kayo? Oh my God. Take care. Bye, Dan. The heck, Dan is here. Dan is here. Dan is still here. Ano ba yan? Ang hirap magsuot ng ano. Ganito. May mga ano. I want you no matter how expensive their price is. God. Ano ba yan? Ano ba to? What's the price? What the price is? What do you mean the secret of truth? Oh my God. Ano ba yung tsura? I love slim girls like you. Really. Like me? Ano din yung tsura ko? Hindi ko maintindihan. Ba't ganyan? Hindi ko alam. Get up again. A little bit. Why? Bro, bye. Ayun. Ano, ano na pala, mag 1 hour na pala. Bilis ng live ko. 45 minutes agad. Sobrang happy ako, nakabalik na ulit ako sa pagla-live. Akala ko hindi na ako makakabalik. Almost months, kaya I'm still here. Thank you for staying, Maria Fe. Thank you so much. Because I can't stand the beauty anymore. Something is starting to move. Number code. Ha? Matadelete. Wait lang ah. Just wait. I can. No, my Wi-Fi. Ah, okay. My wife gone. No, my Wi-Fi. Huh? Wi-Fi? My wife gone? My Wi-Fi? No Wi-Fi? My wife gone. What do you mean, Maria Fe? Naguluhan ako dun. Get up or move the camera a little bit so I can see you completely. Okay. You can see me. Checking Wi-Fi. Okay. Where's Dan? Nawala na si Dan. Ano ba yan? Demanding ka naman. My wife is now here. Ah, okay. Put one leg over the other. Put one leg over the other. Wait. I don't understand. Put one leg over the other. Ano yun? What is that? Hindi ko naintindihan. Sorry. I'm not good in English. Boba ako. My battery 50%. Maria Pe. That's good. 50%. I can't check it anymore. Please. I don't understand. What do you mean? Creepy dog. Ayan. Ano ba yan? Pinagsasabi mo ano? The Seeker of Truth? Everyone get 8 likes later here. Thank you. Thank you, Maria Fe. Salamat. I'm hope. I hope. Eight likes. Thank you for the 8 likes. Salamat. Thank you. Is it like put your hands on them. Thank you. Thank you for the 8 likes. Salamat. Thank you so much. Put your hands on the apples. Bro, my keyboard is lagging. It's lagging. Ano ba yung sinasabi nito ni Juan? Lasing to eh, lasing. Ano na naisip? Above them. 6. Ano ko? Don't put them on top. Ano ba sinasabi mo? God, talaga, please calm down. Tap the screen to edit. Bakit ano ba ang ano ko? Tap the screen to edit? Bakit? Something wrong my ano? I want you to... Ganun. Formal. Behave. 12-1 timer. I will end live in 10 minutes. 5 minutes. I get mad at you. Why you get mad? Maybe me, I'm getting mad. Not you. Hey, Repo Red. My God, gone. Ay, My God. Yung pasensya ko, konting-konti na lang. The seeker of truth, can you please behave? Your behavior here is not, appropriate my life. Move the camera, but thank you so much for the Hi. Thumbs up 9, maganda Cheryl. Hi. Try this emoji. Hi, Greg. How are you? Yes, I'm coming back. Live again. Ay, salamat. Naka-live ulit. So long to make a live again here on YouTube. How are you? Hello everyone. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. I miss you. How are you doing, Cheryl? Bro, Greg, see you here. Live chat ask. I share live chat ask. Hi. How are you doing? Hello, Maria. From Greg. Did you find out why you were banned, Cheryl? Yeah, I found out. TikTok said I'm not legal age. I'm just 13 years old. Now I fix it. 13 years old, not allowed to make live without parent consent like that. So, oh my god, I'm not 13 years old. I'm 40. Mary Joyen. Hi, Mary Joy Jen. Kumusta? Big Davis here, he keep chat. I told you that you look like a teenager. Like, why YouTube said I'm 13 years old? I'm 40. I feel mad. I feel mad when I restrict. Scrolling lang. Thank you, Mary Joyjen. Bad word. From Maria Fe. Hi, Greg. From Mary Joyjen. I'm happy I'm back again. Doing Mika Live. Hi, masaya. Masaya ka. Masaya. Masaya ko talaga. I'm so happy now I'm back. I'm happy. Good evening, Mary. From Greg. I'm glad you are back also. Yes, thank you, Greg. I'm happy now. I'm happy now again. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I was beginning to miss you a little bit. What? What? Really? Really? Thank you sa sa like, sa 9 likes. Thank you so much. Happy. Happy, sha-na-na-na. It's like to be happy. Sha-na-na-na. Everybody should be happy. I'm gone again. You're gone again. Bye. See you I need to end live. See you again tomorrow. I make a live again. Thank you so much, guys. See you later. See you soon. Thank you. Bye. Thank you for watching my live. Bye-bye.